Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Thanks so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button below. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful tassel necklace in literally minutes. It's so super easy to make, so let's get started. Okay, so I've got my string. This is going to be my necklace, and you can cut it to whatever size you want. And what I'm going to do here is just finish putting the beads onto the necklace and just pull this, whoopsie daisy, just pull this through and take this one and just thread this one through. So now you have like really pretty necklace, and you just can tie it, and even you can knot it or make it as long as you like. So this is like perfect, and you can just tie it every time you put it on, or you can leave it tied. So now I'm just going to put this aside, and we're going to make our tassel. So I'm going to take my Mini Bowdabra, and I have my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm just going to fold it in half, lay it into my Mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the end underneath. So now what I've done is I've taken our Bowdabra mesh and just cut 10-inch strands, but cut them into two of the little diamonds per strand. So I'm just going to fold this in half and put it into my Bowdabra, my Mini Bowdabra. And I have another one here, and I'm just going to put that into the Mini Bowdabra. So we're just laying everything in. And then I have my pieces of ribbon, and I have my jute. We're just going to lay that down in here. And again, I'm going to take my pieces of ribbon, and we've just tied a little bead on here just to add a little flair to it. So this is a simple, simple way to make a tassel. And just go ahead and lay these in here and this here. And so now all I have to do is just take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, pull it through, pull it tight while it's still in my Mini Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm just going to tie a knot and double knot it. And then we're going to use this to tie it onto our necklace. So we're just going to leave that here. And then what I'm going to do is just bring this around here and take another piece of my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm just going to fold it in half. And now we're going to just make our tassel. And if you want, you can just lay this into the Bowdabra again and just kind of scrunch the tassel. Just kind of push this apart and scrunch the tassel in. And then now I have my slip knot, and just pull that through, pull it tight, and separate the ends, bring it around, and just tie a knot here. So really a super simple way to make like a beautiful ribbon jewelry. You can also use the tassel as like for a backpack or a bookmark, but it's just a real simple way to make a tassel. And then I'm just going to tie this through one of my beads. So I'll just bring this through here. And now I'm just going to tie a knot. And double knot it. And actually I'm going to do one more knot just for safety. And we'll clip this really close. So you can see how super simple. And then just going to add this cute little sticker, and you could glue something on there too if you wanted. And now you have this beautiful tassel necklace that was so simple. We made it in minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.